The Edgeband Management Set provides a comprehensive overview of all information about the edgeband material in the workshop. This way, you can always find the right edgeband coil and the search for the right material is over. The Edgeband Management Set is a plug-and-play system that the joiner can easily install himself and adapt to his own needs. Included within the set are a proposal for a construction plan for the Edgeband Rack, the LED strips, the required apps Material Manager and Material Assist Edge, and a printer for labeling the edgebands. The HOMAG cube connects all components. It is the interface between all the individual parts and ensures optimum communication between the Edgeband Rack, the apps, and the user. The management of the edgeband starts in the work preparation in the web app Material Manager. This app provides centralized material management throughout the company and offers an overview of all edgeband materials and the inventory of each type. All of the important properties of the edgeband material are clearly stored here. This includes information on the manufacturer, the edge material, the thickness and total length of the available edgeband coils, and the edging code. Creating a new edgeband material in the app can be done in different steps. The user can easily create the edgeband coil manually and enter the required data by hand. Another possibility, the data can be copied directly from an Excel file into the app. The next step is taken by the employee in the workshop directly at the Edgeband Rack. Every carpenter can adapt the Edgeband Rack to suit his individual requirements. A suggestion for the rack from HOMAG is included in the set with all relevant information. Now the app Material Assist Edge is used on the tablet. It ensures the organization of the edgebands on the rack. First, he captures the corresponding coil in the app enters the length and quantity of the edgeband, and selects the desired compartment in which he wants to store the edge. The LED strips on the corresponding compartment light up immediately. At the same time, the label printer prints an individual label for each edgeband coil. Now the edge can be stored. All data for this is stored in the app. If the operator wants to edge a workpiece, he takes the matching edgeband directly from the rack. To do this, he searches for the correct edgeband coil using a search filter in the Material Assist Edge app. If the operator has equipped his workpieces with labels, he can read the correct edge code for the required edgeband here. After selecting the edge, the app displays the storage location on the rack, including the remaining length of the material. The edgeband can now be removed with a click. Illuminated LEDs indicate the correct rack compartment. If the operator already knows in which rack compartment his desired edgeband coil is located, he can simply remove it from the rack. He then only confirms the removal by scanning the label on the edgeband coil. Now the furniture can be processed. After the work is done, the machine operator stores the edgeband coil again. To do this, he calls up his edge in the app and enters the remaining length. Alternatively, the current consumption can be entered. The app automatically calculates the new remaining length. Another option is the measurement of the diameter of the edgeband coil. The inner and outer diameter of the coil is measured. After entering the measured values, the app automatically calculates the remaining length, taking into account the edge thickness. Another possibility for storage is to use the scanner. The operator scans the QR code of the edge, enters the remaining length, and scans the storage bin. At the end of both variants, the colored LED lights on the rack indicate the correct storage location. Less time spent searching for edges, full control over inventory, and consequently fewer delays in the production process. All this is offered by the new Edgeband Management Set from HOMAG.